Hi, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel. Actually, today I'm feel dizzy and some headache problem. Anyway, today I want to talk about one topic that is benefits of play for children. So morning time, I read some articles, some passage, and I found four benefit things for children play, like one, mental development, number two, emotional development, number three, physical development, number four, social development. So I'm going to introduce these four things and I think you enjoy it, and let's go to our main video and listen full video. And this is my day 6. Let's start our journey. The first thing, that is mental development. Actually, it's play opens up children's eyes to a world of explorations and adventures, right? So it unlocks their curiosity, and it also encourages their creative activities, creative thinking, and unleashes imagination thoughts, and also thoughts like role playing and pretending. It's like a mental development, right? It's grow up their thinking ability, everything. So it's a short brief. We turn into another topic, next topic. So next word is emotional development, right? So this is the most important, because when children playing the outside, and they feel good, right? And they enjoying playing, and when they feel relaxed through the playing, they feel relaxed or interest anything, then they learn better, right? I think so. So they also learn how to connect it with others, and how to communicate with one another, like thinking ability, how to maintain their playing games, right? So this is most important. And next topic is physical development, the most part of the video. Physical development, it's mostly important, because when they played, their muscles, their strength, everything build up, their mentally grow up, and playing with one another, that's the main thing, right? And playing can also means to express energy, and which in turn actually lead youngster to eat and sleep better. So our next topic is that social development, right? Children mostly learn how to communicate with others, like a teammate, create a teammate, teamwork, everything during their playing. And the most thing, collaboration, then their connection, and sometimes they explain their manners, like thanks, sorry, everything during when they playing, right? So this is the most thing. And I know my this topic is very important in this world, in this present world, because every children now don't playing outside, and they just used to now playing game on phone, and watch TV series, movies, cartoons, everything. So this is the most ungrateful problem, terrible problem in our country or every whole world. So you should try to play your children and enjoy your life. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to learn, you just trying and uploading anything in your YouTube channel, doesn't matter what you say. So this is my video, and what's your opinion? Just share.